Wow, I love French fries and chicken burger. Oh, we need to water the flowers urgently. What a beauty. Drink flowers. Oh no, my goodies. What to do? I know. I'll cook a chicken burger and fries myself. First of all, I'll measure the breading on the scales. A little more? That's enough. I'll mix it with water. And stir it. Now, I'll get the chicken fillet and take off the packaging. Oh, what a good meat! I'll take a piece and smear it with breadcrumbs. Perfect! You can put a saucepan on the stove. I'll pour flour, milk, and water. Stirring it. Just like that. Now, I'm putting dry yeast in milk and stirring it. I need flour again. This time, I'll mix it with sugar and salt. Now yeast. I'll make a second lump and mix it with the first one. It's time to put this together. Now butter and yolk. Hooray! I got the burger dough. I'll cover it with film. Let it stand for half an hour. Let's see what happened. That's what you need. Now I'll sprinkle the board with flour so that the dough does not stick. There turned out to be a lot of dough, so I'll cut off a half. I'll smear it with yolk, just like that. And decorate it with sesame seeds. Hooray! You can put it into the oven. Let's bake it. How's my meat? It's time to fry it for a burger. But first, we need to mix the flour, water, and yolk. And bathe all the pieces in it. Now we can dip it in oil. I'll turn it over and get excellent cutlets. French fries time! How great that it can be fried in the same oil! It's very fast and convenient. What a yummy thing! Hooray! The bun is ready. Now I'll cut it in half and fill it with ingredients. The sauce comes first. Smear it all over, followed by salad, a cutlet, and cheese. I love it! How about a second cutlet? And a second slice of cheese. Awesome! Look, I have a tower. Just don't fall. There is salad and ketchup left. Where without it? It looks great. Voila! Chicken burger and fries are ready. Fly in! Wow, that's awesome! Now, time to taste French fries. I'm gonna take a piece and dip it in ketchup. I'm finally full! Thank you, friends! It was great! Put likes and subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of cool recipes waiting for you. I love cooking because I can't live without yummy food. Join me and don't be afraid to experiment. Write in the comments what your favorite food is. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!